Hi guys, Lee here from Trading College with your market update for the 9th of March. Let's dive into the markets, guys. We've spoken about the Nasdaq over the last several months or so. And really, you've got to go to the monthly chart to really take a look where it's been going and this correction that we're seeing now. Now, February, the month of February, we got a shooting star type candlestick. That was the telltale sign that we may get a reversion back to the mean, to the 8-period moving average at least. And we've certainly got that. If we drop down to the daily chart, we certainly got this correction on the Nasdaq. We've got a red PTS and we've dropped all the way down here. Now, we've seen this massive disconnection with the Nasdaq and the Dow and the S&P as they continue to drive higher. The Nasdaq's been dropping. So I am expecting a little bit of a bounce here today in the Nasdaq, maybe for a couple of days, and then potential to roll back over. We've got that 200 period moving average just sitting down there. We've hit profit targets here. So I expect a little bit of a bounce. Now, if we go and have a little look then at the German DAX, you can see here we got brand new buy signals a few days ago on the 1st of March, and we're continuing up into that 14,487. It's absolutely incredible. What an unbelievable move in these stock market indices. The Dow Jones Industrial Average as well. I mean, that has been just absolutely on fire and continues to push higher with that buy signal on Sunday evening. All right, let's take a look at the FX market because I think there's a little bit of a correction due in sterling here. We're looking at the pound Swissy. We've had an incredible move where buy signals back in the start of January, and it's just been strong all the way up. I mean, we've hit profit targets and exceeded profit targets. So it's really been in a trailing stop mode. Now, you know, the momentum, the accelerator here, we are very extended and we're getting a bit of a reversal candlestick today. It's still green on the pro trend system, but I'm expecting all our students now to be trailing this stop up. This has been nearly 1,000 pip profit, guys, from these lows at 120. See what happened? Let me show you what we were looking for. If I show you this area here, we got a buy signal up and then we just consolidated for a while, and this 122 I should say was the key area here. When the market goes back, and if you look back at some other videos I've done about pound Swissy, we consolidate around a breakout area. If we consolidate around a breakout area, it's really bullish. You know, as long as we don't sell off, but we held around this area and then we've just broke out and then we've just pushed higher, green PTS, momentum, everything possible. Take some profits here today. Now, I think against the US dollar, the dollar's been so strong, I think it's due a little bit of a correction on the US dollar. I'm looking at the pound US dollar here, and it's been really strong against the US dollar. I'm thinking now we're going to get a new green pro trend system on cable and that we start to make new highs. It's had a pullback. The pullback hasn't made a new low. Everything is structured for higher highs and higher lows. So just need a trigger now to get into this trade, which will be a green pro trend system, guys. I'm looking for longs there. And also with the euro dollar, I think the euro dollar's had a nice correction as we come back on the weekly chart with this. You know, we're just coming back to a little bit of a support area. What sold off the euro dollar was this great big two wave. You see, we had a signal here. 1, 2 was lower, basically divergence. Sold off, now we're into this support zone, maybe a little bit of a bounce, and we push higher on the euro against the US dollar. Now, here's one of our other blue whale trades I'm watching, and this is the Aussie New Zealand. You can see here we've got a white pro trading system. When there's white on the system, on those candlesticks, it's telling us that the momentum is zero. There's nothing going on. You know, nobody's committing to the long side or to the short side in this market. But I think we're going to get a breakout soon, and I think we're going to push this market to the upside. I think we're going to get going higher. The monthly chart is saying that we're going to try and push higher. I'm waiting for a light green pro trading system to start this move higher. Okay, so once we get that, I'll be looking for the Aussie New Zealand to go on a really good move. Hope you enjoyed that, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Speak to you on the next update. Take care.